Hiya folks, we've got a little problem with this Renault Clio. It's a 1.2 that it's developed a misfire on, I think, is it cylinder 4? Cylinder 1, and the plug lead tubes that are on the end of them, one of the rubber things is stuck on the plug, so you can't actually get the plug spanner on deep down, so we're going to have to try and hook it out. Let's show you what we mean. Oh, Sharon's just going out in the ST. There we go. You ain't seen this for a while, folks, but still going strong. You alright?
Your radio, I bet
yeah.
You've got that working that we can't
Jimmy's been using the car, hasn't he? Yeah. Alright then, we'll see you later, baby.
Yeah, I'll come to get that car now.
Yeah. We had a similar problem on Sharon's car, but that turned out to be a spark plug. Again, very similar sort of thing. When you pull these long reach spark plugs out with the long tubes on, there's a rubber seal on the top of that one, and the rubber seal was broken and the spark plug was all rusty, so I sorted that one out. So coming over here, Jimmy's just removed the air box. As you can see, you've got these long tubes here which go down into the cylinder head, and on the end there, there should be a little rubber thing on the end of that, and if we take one of these other ones out, you'll be able to see it. Can you see that rubber sort of block on the end here? In there, look, just in there, that little bit of rubber, which is stopping us, because it's not in there, it's stopping, it's stuck in there.
On the spark plug.
Right on the spark plug, and you can't get the spark plug spanner down there. So we've got, what you've got, show us on the end of that, we've got this little hook here, which is going to go down in, and hopefully we're going to be able to pull it out somehow. So there isn't a video on YouTube of someone showing this. So failing this, it could be a problem, but this is the only sort of way we can see of getting it out, other than cutting it out, maybe with a sharp screwdriver blade at the end of it. So that curve might be a bit too severe on the end of that one, mightn't it?
Yes.
You can feel the rubber's soft in there. It's not as if it's brittle at all, folks, or anything. But you can't, as I say, you can't get the spark plug spanner on there. No, that's what I would suggest. That hook is a little bit too severe on it. Right, Jimmy thinks he's underneath it, folks. Let's have a little pull. Have a little pull up now, Jimmy. Oh, he's got it. Look at that. Look. Hey, he's gone through it. So he actually went through it, folks. That little thing.
Why I wasn't going deep enough. I didn't know it was that deep.
Yeah. There you go. And that's the reason why we couldn't get the spark plug spanner on there and undo the spark plug. So now we can take the spark plug out and see if we got an issue with that spark plug. So we're going to try and take that spark plug out now. And Jimmy's just gone along and actually done them other three as well. Look, can you see them there, folks? Look, they was all stuck in there. And once you go down the middle of the spark plug, it was easy. This is a 14mm socket in there, by the way, folks, a long reach socket we got here. And this was the cylinder he had the misfire on. So just remove that and we'll just have a little look at it. Oh, we got that magnet thing, have we?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to.
Oh, you got it. Here we go. Let's say if it's not the spark plug, then it obviously it'll be the coil pack. But no, that looks fine, doesn't it?
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah, that looks alright. What about around there? There's no tracking down here or nothing, no cracks in the porcelain there. No, that looks alright. The colour's good mix anyway, so it's got a good mixture. That's it then.
Coil pack then.
Well, it'll probably be the coil pack. So, but it's something we had to scrub off the list, folks, as a first port of call, because it's quite a common thing, as I say, for these coil packs to go. And unfortunately, is it one coil pack on there? I can't. Where's the coil pack?
It's there.
Is it over the back there, isn't it? So he's got his mate who works at a breaker's yard, and hopefully we'll get a spare one for him. There you go. We'll just put this back together, and Bob's your uncle. So there you go, folks. A little hook like that, and getting down. He went down on the inside there.
Yeah. So
as opposed from the outside. Look at that. Look. There you go. That's the problem. Common thing on these models, that little bit comes out. Very poor design. That. There you go. As you say, it should sit in there, look.
No, not that one.
Does that one come out as well?
All three have.
Oh, they've all come out. It's a common thing then.
The M1.
There's only one there which hasn't come out on, so
that's that
he would have to do that on all of them. Look at that, look.
That's how it should look, but the rest are out.
Unbelievable. There you go, just a little quick fix there. If you ever get that problem on a Renault Clio with them deep tubes and them type of spark plug holders, that's how you get it out. Use a little hook on the rubber and that should pull it out. That way you can get your spark plugs out. Thanks very much, folks. See you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.